Hi, this is Don Greeno from Designer Fair, and today I have a special edition for you for our inspirational quotes for your professional well-being. Today I'm also going to intermix it with personal well-being. So here we go. We have 7 rules of life. 1. Let it go. Never ruin a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday. 2. Ignore them. What other people think of you is none of your business. 3. Give it time. Time heals everything. 4. Don't compare. The only person you should try to beat is the person you were yesterday. 5. Stay calm. It's okay not to have everything figured out. Know that in time, you'll get there. 6. It's on you. Only you are in charge of your happiness. 7. Smile. You don't own all the problems in the world. Well, there you have it. 7 rules of life, inspirational quotes, and I hope this helps you, take better control of those things that are bothering you. I know in my case, some things happen. I see a lot of friends going through similar problems, both small business owners and personal life issues as well. And, well, sometimes you just got to keep your head up and just keep on moving forward. Well, that's all for today. I hope you have a great day.